Not sure what you're yelling about on that one. Oh, weather.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Dog on Sight 5 behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive 11.4.7 aerial perspective video. If you're liking the content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
If it's an FSD, it'll run the wipers, right?
Should. But most likely, you'll need to manually do it in this car. Because this one will allow you to turn it off.
Oh, okay. And the nice thing about having non-ager, you get some of the perks. Good.
It might be a Model S X thing.
Oh, fair enough. Excellent turn. Nice job. Does think it's 27, so we're gonna bump it up just a little bit. Can I go a little faster?
Yep.
Coming up to a roundabout. Doesn't look like there's anyone coming because I doubt he's still. We got some people coming now. Good. Excellent. Good job. Okay, go. Go. Yeah. Yelling about the weather. See, I let it do it, Andrew.
I'd clap for you, but I'm busy.
I know, but you have to this head in your head. I'm like, that's not the reality. Here comes the rain again.
We're just going to tilt up for a scenic perspective there.
Do you need me to slow down?
Nope. You got people behind you.
I can go like a little slower, you're fine.
A little scenic perspective there. We'll get there eventually.
You gotta communicate, Andrew. So
I'm just following along. Just following along.
okay, coming up on a right turn. There you go. Excellent. We're gonna stay out of the junk. There you go. Caught up?
Yep.
Okay. The weather, it's scary. I got no one behind me, okay? You mean go slower?
I'm fine. It's not this direction that I have the problem.
Oh. It's west and north.
It's heading west.
Okay. We're gonna be going west again, just so you know.
Yep. So I'm just gonna do a nice scenic tilt.
Okay. Otherwise, I can force us to go through the Canyon Lakes Loop. You want to do that?
I don't want to take the. I don't want to take the bumps.
Oh.
So if there's bumps in that direction, no, I don't.
Okay. That's a cool car. Crappy day to have a right to go left. There we go. There we go. Taking a left turn. Excellent. Very good. Doing 38. How's that?
I'm keeping up.
I appreciate the way that it's going. We're gonna be turning left at this light. Here we go. Excellent. No, get in the lane. There you go. Okay, go. There you go. Good job.
Well, you guys, if you do like the content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.
A couple of issues with lane selection, but other than that, not bad. It'll take us in. There we go. And we are here. Go park over here. Not bad.